sekta yobo chenu niko basokire na komocha serikali chichi county asoko sinywa gwikirania ukuigwana baigwana netegwetera ese ibabe getene kyombe gyo kubakana engeria gukwara emyo mucho Nairobi abarajyabo niko boigo baragire serikali icho ekyagira ase omugiro bwa abanyagitari ogenderete image county au anene area ya Kiambu asebona baruro kubolia onye serikali chichi county cyasinyure kura sekta yobo chenu bayirani guchia serikali enene nigo bono bagosereire guchego kora omugiro mwemeremo onye Ekerero kyabo tikiri guchego tegererwa asamatuko 52 are bosio.
Ministry has done its bit, and we must thank CS Duale and his PSs, PS Modoni and Oluka, because as far as the UHC, the Global Fund, and the CHAP are concerned, they have met the end of the bargain. Also, as concerns the review of the salaries for health workers as per the SRC circular, that has been done. But the counties have continued to delay this, and especially talking about Kiambu County. You know, as I stand here, myself, I'm lost. I remember sometimes back in some of the media stations, I have appeared in some of the panel discussions with the governor of Kiambu. And we used to discuss governance matters. And it was very hard on the governors then and how they were treating their workers then. He has even gone ahead to stop all union deductions and continues to threaten the workers that they must come out of the unions if they want to continue working for Kiambu County. Going forward, if these issues are not going to be addressed within the next 7 days, as the caucus, we have made a resolution that we shall be giving a program of joint action that are going to culminate in a joint